Hello dear friends. Today I will show you how to prepare a IEEE manuscript with the help of Latex. As you know, Latex is a system for document preparation, and it's basically works on coding. That means we need to code for each and every formatting, and then we need to compile that, and then we get the output of that code. That will be a PDF file. So if you are interested to do the latex, and if you want to know, you can know more about the latex format from this website. What I am going to do is I will show you that how to prepare IEEE manuscript using latex format. So to start that, you need two things first. One is the MIK text, this one. This you need to download and install. This is the latex compiler that will have the files to need to compile the system. And then you need any latex text editor. In my case, I am using Text Studio. You can download it from this website. So when you have finished downloading and installing these two, then you can have something like this. So this is the Text Studio interface. Now this one, you will put your file here and you will edit here, and you can see the output. So these two you need to install first, and then you can edit your document. Okay, so for now who you are doing research, I hope that it will help you. Now when we prepare document with the Microsoft Word or some other Microsoft Word, yes, so that we actually have some issues, like the when you, especially when you put the figures, it will go here and there and you cannot find the track, or it goes also if your paper is rejected somewhere. I hope that will not happen to you, but anyway, if that happens, then we need to transfer the manuscript format, because every journal has different manuscript style, so you need to transform it. That takes a lot of time, but if you use latex, then it's very easy to change the manuscript. So I will first show you that how to do the IEEE one, then later videos, I hope, then I will show you that how to transfer. And if I cannot, then maybe you will do it by yourself. Okay, so first let's go to IEEE Access. So this is the IEEE Access Author Center. You can download the latex template or Word template anywhere. So just click it and just you can download, and then okay, I will save it to my desktop, and then okay, I save it. Now I have to open this file using the file, and you open it, go to desktop, yes, and then you open the file, right? So these are the basics of that one. Now when you have the template here, it actually gives you some file which includes some details about the this is the file that you need to open, access.ex. So this file gives you some information about some other also, what are the things you need to do or not. There's some information that will be available here. So let me put it a little bit to view. Okay, so now as you can see, these are the basic packages you need first time to install to use, sorry. So then you will have to add some other packages as you want to some other functions. As you can see, that document class IEEE Access, this is the starting of the document. This is a site package, this is graphics, this is text compare, algorithmic. If you have to put some algorithm in your document, then you can use this package. Okay, so let's do to see that how it looks like in this way. So let's just put this one. This one will generate the file, PDF file, which will need will show that what's the present condition of the document. As you can see that there's some process going here. So we wait for that one. Okay. So if you click here to view, so this is the paper is look like this. See, and let's change some things to understand that which code appears where. Now this is the title. As you can see, this is the title for the paper. So how to edit latex document. Now we need to run it again. So this is the title section. So as you can see that this is, so how to edit latex document. So this is, you change the title here. Now if you go some other here, this is the author section. Okay, so if you want to change that Mr. RM, okay, so this is, you can say like this. I'm just putting a random name. So this is like this. So this is, you need to change the author section. So these are the informations available in the footnote. So this work is first page and the second page. You can navigate easily in these sections. Okay, so you can change it how to do here, and then these ones, and change here. So these are the first paras of this document. And then as you can see that this is the begin abstract. Now remember one thing, that this slash begin means that it's beginning something, some document, and so you need to close that also. Okay, so you need to close that also, that when you have finished, then you have that closed. Okay, so end, begin and end. It's like one of the HTML documents we prepare. It's like that. So this is the abstract section. You can change here by replace with your abstract. Okay, replace with your abstract, right, with your, now I'm sorry. So okay, so this is, you can just run it and just change here, so it will appear like this. So as you can see, this is the way that you can change your abstract. Okay, now these are the index terms. You need to put it here, that the keywords, anything you can put it here, right, your research topic. Okay, so you just change it and it will automatically change the two. Now we have already done the abstract section and the index terms, so you can change easily. So now you can do it. Now if you are doing in the first time, if you're installing in the first time, then you will be asked to install some other packages for the first time. Okay, what I mean by that is, in this tool I have already installed the packages, but when you do it first time, then they will ask you to install some packages. Please install those packages. Now this is the introduction section. As you can see, this is the introduction, and this is the label of the introduction. So label means that the alias name of the introduction section. Now if you want to refer introduction or some other section, so you can give it a name to this, so this label. Okay, so introduction section, then you can do editing here. So it will start from this, like this document. So as you can see, THIS, this document. So these are the here for, as you can see. Okay, so if you do that, so it will change here. So then you go to some subsections. This is the subsections which is under the uh, introduction section. It is another subsection, two subsections, and then subsections and begin. And this is the equation that you wanted to, I will discuss in detail later, so don't need to worry. And then this is another going some others. So this is the sections. When you find a section, that means it's a very big the big sections like this. And as you can see, these are the subsections, and this is another, this is called the subsection. As you can see, this is the subsection. So this is basically three sections we need in the manuscript preparation. We use that. So this is a section, this is subsection, this is subsection. So that you can easily manipulate. So if you change here, then this is the units, as you can see. So let's say that I want to change it. Most common name for every researcher knows that. So see, this is the system model. This changes, and then you just copy paste your text here. You don't need to worry about your fonts. You don't need to worry about the font size, anything. You just put it there, paste it there, and it's done. So it's a relief, right? Because we always think about that, how will be the format, how will be the situations, and how will be the other things. So these are the basic things that you need. Now this is another sections. Just copy paste the sections, and then you can get the thing. The outlook is very nice. Now this is an image, right? So how to insert an image? We need to do some coding for that image. So there are some packages for the image in the graphics section that you can use, that /begin like that, and then you can add those things. So in the first place, we have added the tables, right? This is a table also, this table. And in the first place, we need to know the sections, that what kind of sections that we want to do, and what kind of sections we want to put in the date, and after that we do it. So this is the section for figure. This figure, as you can see, this figure is like this /figure, and this is the label. And there are other commands also to do for figure. This is a figure1.png, that means this is the file name, and then we just put it in the same folder for the images. And then I will show you later about the discuss, and this is the label. I will discuss you later for the details about this. And this is the figure number 1, and that's it. So this is the figure, and this is a table, and this is the column. So anyway, if you can just copy paste your paper sections, you can see that there's a lot of better than the word. So you just, for now, you can just copy and paste the sections and see how it works.